In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play quick play with two controllers in NBA 2K26. This works if you've got a friend over, a sibling wants to run a game, or you just want to play local split screen. There are two ways to set it up. The first way is simple. Have one controller sign into your main account and the second controller sign into a different account. Now sometimes it won't recognize the second controller, and that usually happens if the second account doesn't have a 2K profile. So if that's the case, just load up 2K separately on that second account, make a quick 2K account, and then it will work fine. Once you have got both controllers set up, head over to the play now mode. From there, go into quick play. At this screen, you can either turn on the second controller or just slide it over to whichever team you want to control. So now one controller is on this side and the other controller is on the opposite side, and you are ready to go. From here, you can play against each other, team up against the CPU, or just run whatever matchup you want. And that's how you set up quick play for local 2-player games in NBA 2K26. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.